Star Atlas DAO explicitly is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Paulus records, sort of descending development today, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, which for the most part shows that Star Atlas DAO is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Paulus records, kind of descending development today, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO really is floating at $305,944 in an unobtrusive manner. 06 January 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time all things considered, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, essentially is Paulus a genuinely wise venture? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Paulus specialized examination, for the most part let us in every way that really matters, discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The kind of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $58,832,899,756, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Paulus specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a huge manner. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level, after a decay of 0.54% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Paulus specialized examination. For the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an unpretentious way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Sold a local coin of Solana fundamentally is somewhere near 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, certainly has seen a value lessening of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Paulus specialized examination, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions most certainly show that the market in every practical sense is going in every way that really matters, descending bearing for truly momentary in an especially enormous manner. Right now, a general commonly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO execution. The kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is 32 cents. With an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely critical. At present, Paulus basically is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars in a huge manner. Star Atlas in a real sense is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conversion of best-in-class blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and extremely decentralized monetary advances, so market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, which in a real sense is very critical. Constant Design's innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers artistic quality computer game visuals, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, which truly shows that Star Atlas truly is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conjunction of best-in-class blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and genuinely decentralized monetary innovations. So market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, which sort of is very huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that recreates the substantial quality of genuine world resources and possession, which by and large is genuinely huge. The most effective method to, in every practical sense, partake in a huge way. To offer during the IEO, explicitly ensure you fundamentally read the guidelines beneath and generally do the accompanying in advance. For the most part register prettier FTX account and by and large submit kick level 2. Which in a real sense shows that however prior to jumping truly profound into the Paulus specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Because of an extremely huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that Verrier Kick will fundamentally be especially supported before the IEO, so Star Atlas DAO execution, the kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the beyond 24 hours, in an unpretentious way. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly be encouraged to really submit kick when certainly conceivable and fundamentally get generally supported to sort of be somewhat qualified for the IEO in an essentially significant manner. Note that you should in every practical sense have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to sort of take part in the IEO, and that you explicitly get sort of additional tickets, assuming that you stake more, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO truly starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., showing how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the Paulus specialized investigation, especially let us discuss the sort of current economic situations, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Get ready assets to offer. At especially the most $400 USDT, and at most $500 USDT, and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT.